Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat. Go ahead and open your app. Now go to your profile by clicking your avatar. And then from here, you'll click the settings located in the upper right part of your screen. From here, you'll scroll down. And then you'll find app appearance. Click on that. And then you'll see in here, always light is the one that's selected, and we don't want that. So select always dark. From that, you'll have dark mode on your Snapchat. Whenever you feel like changing it, just follow those steps and you'll be able to change it. If you liked this video, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.